Alright, so I just got a shipment from scrapbook.com. Let me show you some of the goodies I got. An edge punch, isn't that pretty? I just find sometimes I want to do some mini albums and just have a nice decorative edge to it. I got a 1-inch circle, a 1 1/4 inch circle, and a 1 3/4 inch scallop circle. I have other circular punches, but now if this is getting old and you've heard this before, let me know. But I live in my RV and storage is at a minimum. So for the same space that I have this 2-inch circle, I could store these two. There probably will be a de-stash coming up because I have some circular punches I'm getting rid of. So just stay tuned. But anyhow, I'm excited that I'll be able to put these in. When I'm making cards, I love circular sentiments and I love to back them with something. So this 1 1/2 and 1 3/4 would look fabulous. And then I could take a 1 1/4 and back it with 1 1/2. Although that makes for a small sentiment, but you never know. So anyhow, I'm excited about that. Can't wait to redo my storage. Picked up a large roll of scrapbook.com tape. This is 6 inches by 81 feet. This will help me when I'm doing mini albums to put on the backing. Let's see what else I got. Okay, a couple of smaller things. So these are pops, so they're, you know, if you want to do any embellishing and make your own enamel dots. And this matches with a collection I got. There's some tape when I'm doing some die cutting. I need some tape, and believe it or not, I don't have any washi tape that would work for that. I got a little thing of crackle accents, just for a little bit of crackle. And this frayed burlap distress marker, because when you're doing crackle, if you want the crackles to show, if you use this marker, that's going to help it show. You'll see some projects I do along the way. So there are those fabulous things. Just some straight edge blades. Now look at this. So, you know, I've never used this collection name before. Sunny Studio. Now, aren't those fabulous? Sorry about the shininess, but wouldn't that be fabulous as a fun summer book? I'm not going to open it because you really can see what's inside, and I will be doing projects with this coming up. I can do cards with it. I can do mini albums. Oh, cute little flamingo there. I know I should open it up, but you'll see when I actually do that. And I guess I was sticking with the real bright, fun colors, so I picked up this Vicky Bouton pad. Just bright and summery. I just wanted, I guess I just was in a bright, summery mood. Let me open this. When I ordered this, if you made a purchase, you got a free thing of 1/8 inch adhesive roll, which I use from time to time. I got some Lawn Fawn stitched borders die. So they're, well, actually, it doesn't die as much as it embosses these patterns in it. I wanted to get a sewing machine, and again, I live in my RV. I don't have that much space. I already have a Cricut maker. I don't want to get rid of that, and I'm running out of room. So I thought instead of actually sewing, I could use this as looking like I'm sewing, just to give the look of it. So I'm going to play with that at some point. I got a Plaid Stencil. You will probably see that on cards coming up. I got an Eileen Hull Thinlits shadow box die. And why did I get that? Well, if I'm doing any decoration in my RV, it's got to be light and easy to put on the wall, and plus it's got to be sort of small, and I thought this paper, making shadow boxes out of that, would be fabulous. I love doing little diorama things. So I'm excited about that. Word dies. I don't know why they put this. Memories, Beautiful Family. I really got it for memories, for when I'm doing mini albums. Of course, memories is very appropriate for that. So I got that. And it's from scrapbook.com. So I'm curious as to see the quality of that. I got some miscellaneous papers. Yes, there's something still on my desk. So this is Photo Play Back to Nature. What paper collection was this? I think it's Tula and Norbert. I'll have to look it up. Tula and Norbert go camping or something like that. I don't know. But I just thought, how fun would it be to make a kid's camping album? I got the dies along with the stamps. And I thought I could color them or let kids have markers. And these, cut out 10 or so. And the kids could bring them camping with them and have pictures taken with these guys, like, next to a turtle or a rock, or sitting outside a restaurant they go to with the kid. I don't know. I just thought something like that would be fun. So I got some of the papers that coordinate with that. Not that one. I had picked this one up because I have a 6x8 pad, but I wanted something big to put on the cover. I thought I would use that. So that doesn't go with Tula and Norbert. So isn't that cute? Oh, it's just adorable. Nice plaid to go on that side. So I was going to get the paper collection, but I think it only had like 6 pages and the stickers, and I end up never using the stickers. So I got that. And in addition to that, there's something that goes along with that. I know, it's noisy, it's crackly. Wait, what goes with Tula and Norbert? Well, I picked out this Great Outdoors. The colors of this go along with this. I mean, it's not exactly the same collection, but again, if I'm going to do sort of a travel journal for kids, I thought that would be fun to go along with that. I actually got 2 of those because I'm going to try making a couple. So, if you have kids, if you camp, if you go in the outdoors, if you hike, if you want to make yourself a little journal and you love the gnomes, stay tuned. Let's see what I can come up with that. Let me move that out of the way and show you the last remaining things. I love Doodlebug. I love Doodlebug. I still love Doodlebug. I had done a project with Doodlebug, Great Outdoors, and again, it was sort of geared towards kids. It had crayons in it, or markers, or pencils, I forget what, and it was for kids to bring on a trip. And it was a mini album, but it had the markers inside and just some other fun things inside. So again, I apologize for the glare, but you will see all these papers when I actually get that project done. And I might do something different than what I had done before. But remember, I will link that cool thing that I had done up above. And then finally, that's all going to fall? No. Finally, the last thing I got was, I did not get the shop box. I don't have the shop box. But I did get the backgrounds. I don't know about you, but when you're taking pictures of projects, I mean, I've got my beautiful desk. And it is beautiful, and I do love it. But there are some times that I want a different background. Oh, it can open here. I don't need my... I want a different background for mostly cards. I mean, mini albums are sort of big. So I got this because it has all sorts of different backgrounds that I can use when I'm taking photos. Isn't that cool? You know, and you can use one for the bottom and one for the top. Wow, that's crazy. But you never know. That's nice. That is nice. I love that. And that is cool too. So, I mean, you could do this on the bottom and that on the side. You don't really, I mean, you don't see the backgrounds, but they're there. So that is what I got from scrapbook.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you know when I make things with all of these products. Probably soon I will have my sheet load of cards coming up, and I'll use this to take photos of the sheet loads of cards so you can see them in use. And all the other things will be used within the next couple of months, weeks. Depends on how busy I am. Don't forget to check out all the items listed in the description box, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'm sporadic with getting internet, so as soon as I can, then I answer my comments. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.